Hello, teachers, judges, and all students present at the STEM Product Creation Competition and English Festival today.
Today we will present about our Javen Solution preparing tool.
In daily life, Javen Solution is a very important part in water treatment and bleaching. However, Javen Solution in the purchase outside have a high cost and have many unknown ingredients. So that we decide to decrease and research the Javen Solution presentation, and so that we decide to research Javen Solution preparation tool.
Our product got four main parts. First is the power source. Our power source is made by 3 4-volt batteries. They are connected in a series, so the total of power source is 12 volts. The power source is connecting with the charger socket to ensure the sustainability. When the batteries run out, you can recharge and continue using it. The power source also connects with the switch to ensure the activity during use. When you use, you turn it on. When you finish, you turn it off to save energy. And the last one, the power source, is connected with 2 clamps. These 2 clamps connect with the Graphite electrode. Our Graphite electrode is made by 2 pencils, one sharp in both ends, the right up and is connected with the power source, the right down and is connected with the solution. And the reason why we use graphite instead of metal or alloy, because the metal will be corroded in this environment. The last one is the bottle. The bottle is widely used in our house, and we also have a lid to avoid chloride going outside. After the product, I will show you how we prepare it. We just prepare 5% sodium chloride in 30 minutes, 10% sodium chloride in 20, 30 and 40 minutes. And last one is 26.47% sodium chloride in 20, 30 and 40 minutes. Therefore, we conclude that the 10% sodium chloride have the best quality.
This is the end of presentation. Now we will show you how to use our Javen Solution.
Before the experiment, I have some notes for you. First, you must wear robe and a mask before experiment. This is 3 examples of the color water. We pour out the Javen on the bottle. As you can see, the color is very clear. Because of the sodium chloride is less than the plant, so the color is not clear all the color.
This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.
Xin cảm ơn phần trình bày khá là trực quan của lớp 10A11. Sau đây xin mời ý kiến đánh giá của thành viên hội đồng ban giám khảo. Xin trân trọng kính mời.
You have a very nice presentation. Another seasonal question for you. What is the main chemical compound in table salt?
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah. What is the main chemical compound in table salt?
The main ingredient of this is sodium hypochlorite, the main ingredient of Javel water.
Besides that, it has sodium chloride and water.
You are good at chemistry. Thanks a lot.